Hey, what's up guys? Thomas Feng with Bay Area Connect. Today's market report will be for the city of Campbell, and we're going to be looking at the market stats for January of 2012. To get a copy of this market report, shoot me an email at thomas.feng@gmail.com. To see these stats overlaid with new listings, sold listings, and school information, give me a call, 408-840-3852. Also, we are on Facebook at facebook.com/Bay Area Connect to get all my weekly updates of real estate news, new listing photos, and market reports. Simply like the page. All right, let's jump right into Campbell's market statistics for January 2012. The median list price of current listings is at $607,450, down 2% from last month. January's median sales price is at $604,500, up 8%. Total properties currently for sale, the inventory is at 58, down 25%. January number of properties sold is at 26, down 24%. And the average days on market is currently at 119 days for a gain of 68%. So the first thing we can see is that the median list price has dropped by 2%. So the list price is coming down. 2% isn't much, so I'm not going to say too much about that. The median sales price, however, has come up, and this is something we expected coming out of December, that the prices that buyers are paying will get higher also with the increasing economy as well. All right, let's look at property sales. The property number of sales for January was at 26 units, and compared to 2010's number of 20 units, it's up 30%, but down from December. And also, as we can see in the trending from the complete year, 20 units for January of 2011, and also 9 units in February. So the year definitely starts out a little slower in Campbell. So coming out in January with 26 units in 2012, it's a good sign. For pricing, the median sales price in January was at $604,000. And we're going to be looking at the red line, the 3-month average median sale. What we can see from the graph is that for all of 2011, the red line was pretty much at or close to $564,000. We had a little bump in the April to July months, as is expected for the spring and selling season. Prices do get higher, but in general, prices have been pretty stable around that point at $564,000 in Campbell. For the inventory, we're currently at 58 units in January. As you can see from the graph, compared to 2011, it's at a crazy low. In January of 2011, we had an inventory of 122. So what we can see from that is even though property sales were higher this year, inventory is at a low. So that's actually better for some of us in the market, just because homes have been selling, they have been moving, and that is why inventory is at a lower number right now. Market time is at currently 119 days, so it's taking quite a while to get a lot of the homes sold in Campbell. Usually with a higher number, it's better for buyers, just because sellers are taking so long to get the home sold. Selling price per square foot in Campbell is also at $348. All right, let's look at our maps for Campbell for January 2012. For new listings, we have 39 new listings in Campbell. 4 of those listings were in the 800s, 5 in the 700s, 11 in the 600s, 4 in the 500s, and 13 listings below the 400s. That comes out to a total of 28 units in the 600s or below, and 28 out of 39 new listings. That's huge for first-time home buyers. So Campbell has definitely tons of inventory right now for the 600 and below market. For homes that have been selling in January, and these are homes that are either sold or currently pending, so basically in contract right now. And we have 44 sold or pending units in Campbell. 10 of those are in the 600s, 2 in the 500s, and 18 in the 400s and below, which comes out to a total of 30 listings currently in contract right now. For the year to date in Campbell, we have 19 homes that have sold so far in January. Throughout 2012. 8 were in the 600s, 3 in the 500s, and 1 in the 400s. So let's look at our new listings map. For our lower price listings, we're going to be looking around a lot of the condo townhomes, and we have 12 condo townhome new listings, by the way, are around the Winchester and Hamilton area. Also, we're seeing a lot of the lower price listings along Bascom Avenue as well, close to the Pruneyard area. For the higher price listings, a lot of those in the 600s, we're seeing around the outskirts of the city, closer to the outsides, and most of those are single family homes. If we're looking at townhome and condos, you're going to find most of those are below 400,000. So Campbell has definitely more single family homes when compared to Santa Clara and Sunnyvale. Again, to get a copy of this market report, shoot me an email, thomas.feng@gmail.com, to see the stats overlaid with our maps of new listings, sold listings, and school data. Give me a call, 408-840-3852. Again, I'm also on Facebook. If you're on Facebook, like my page. You'll get my real estate news, new listing photos, and market reports sent to your feed automatically, so it's real easy. Thanks again for watching, and have a great week.